Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code Syndicate. Today we will discuss conditional statements in Rust. Conditional statements are used to control the flow of a program based on some conditions. Conditionals are very important part of any programming language. Rust provide two types of conditional statements. One, if else statement. Two, match statement. If else statement. Before we dive into if else statement, let's have a look on relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two similar data. List of relational operators. Let's assume two data A and B for the better understanding. Number one, greater than operator. That is, A is greater than B. Number two, less than operator. That is, A less than B. 3. Greater than or equal to operator. That is, A is greater than or equal to B. 4. Less than or equal to. That is, A is less than or equal to B. 5. Equal to. That is, A is equal to B. Not equal to. That is, A is not equal to B. Number 7, or. That is, if either A or B. Number 8, AND operator. That is, if both A and B. If statement in Rust. If statement has a very simple syntax. That is, if followed by condition and statements inside curly braces. If you intend to check only one condition, if statement is enough for you. But if you want to check multiple conditions, you can add else if statement thereafter. For example, let's have a variable named num and assign number 2 to this num. Now let's check if this num is less than 18 or not. And if it is less than 18, we will print minor in the console. Run the code to see the output. Here you can see minor in the output. Now let's change this num to 20. Run the code again. Here you can see there is no output because this condition do not match as 20 is not less than 18. Now let's print out adult whenever the number becomes more than 18. For this we will use Elseif statement. Run the code. Perfect. We have got adult in the output. Now let's again change this num to 18. and run the code again. Here you can see we got nothing in the output. Let's check these conditional statements again. If you look closely, we are printing minor when the num is less than 18 and adult when the num is greater than 18. But we have no statement when the num becomes 18. Now let's add a else statement below. This else statement executes when every other condition above fails. So as 18 is neither less than 18 and nor greater than 18. So in this case, this else statement will be executed. Unlike if and else statements, else statement do not need condition. Whenever you want to execute something which any if or else if statement fails, else statement are used. Let's run this code to verify. This is it for today, and we will learn about match statement in the next video.